Alright, hey you guys, so I'm coming back with another video. So I want to thank y'all for coming to my video. Yeah, I really have no clothes on. I just got on a sports bra, some bottoms. But anyways, back to this. Hey, my name is Lynn. This is the Bombshell Lynn channel. Bombshell Beauty, I'm sorry. I'm just coming to do like a tutorial. Well, a get ready with me because I'm getting ready for work. Because I'm at the bartend tonight. So let's just get on to it. I did my eyebrows off camera because, let's be real, they have a lot of YouTube channels that have like video tutorials on how to do eyebrows and all this and that, and I ain't about to waste my time doing it, you know, because I mean, they be cute or whatever, but it ain't, you know, I ain't really here for it. So I actually been using aloe vera gel on my face for like the last few weeks. I actually did today. I didn't do it for like a couple days, but I've been doing it for 2 weeks. So my skin been doing good. I forgot to put some little oil on my face because I just washed it off. I wanted to do that before I did my eyebrows, but oh well. It ain't just happened. So I'm just gonna, well, I'm using my organic coconut oil because it's very light. So I'm better just put this on my face real quick. Because your girl don't want to be dry. Even though I do have a moisturizer, but I don't remember where I put it at. I remember I had it in a car with me, but my husband moved it, so I don't know where it's at. I should go buy some more because that's a little bit already old. And y'all did me 2 braids. So I'm gonna be rocking this for a little while. I personally feel like if I cannot watch somebody else's tutorial and then try to do it myself, because I'm gonna just mess it up, honestly. So that's the only reason why I haven't really done a tutorial on it, because I feel like even though they have like 1,000 of them already on YouTube, I can't really like tell you. I mean, I can like try, but I don't know. I feel like we already have a bunch of those, even though we have a lot of makeup tutorials and all that as well. But I know I'm bomb at doing it now, so better doing it now than just showing my eyebrows. So with doing my eyebrows, so that's gonna be like a real big old no-no. And y'all, I've been so busy these last few weeks that I literally have my rollers in my makeup box. It just, and then I haven't worn makeup since, I think, well, since the game. So that was been like a week ago. So I really didn't wear like makeup. Anything that I have on my computer desk is really what I wear every day, which is just my eyebrows. Put some mascara on, some eyeliner here and there. I don't really care about that. And lipstick, and I be going the freaking go. Cause I really been, like I said, I've been using the aloe vera gel. So I've been trying to, like, you know, get your, and the witch hazel. I've been using witch hazel as well. So I've been trying to, you know, get the skin on fleek. So, cause like, honestly, I feel like next year for summertime, I really don't want to be like wearing foundation like that. So I want to go without using it. So even though I don't have like really too much of dark spots, I have like maybe like 1 or maybe 2, but I don't really see this one right here right now. So it's like, it's not that bad. I know I have like a little dark circles under my eyes sometimes. Like, probably need to drink a lot more water because I probably drink at least like 4 glasses of water a day, about 4 to 6. Well, it'd be big glasses, so I normally do like between 4 to 6 bottles of water, but probably gotta do a little bit more. But your girl is on a healthy journey, so I bought like, try to do keto. I don't really know if that's like really for me. I'll probably just eat healthy and just work out more, but I don't know if like I like the food, but it's just, I don't know. It's like I don't like eating like the same meal every day, and like most people like meal prep and stuff. Even though you can switch it up and stuff like that, I don't like to rewarm up food at all. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna really be like all over the place when I'm gonna be all over the place like with this like talking, because I'm just gonna really like ramble because like I'll get ready with me. But I have like so much in store for next week. I finally got my makeup, Halloween makeup paint and whatever. So your girl will be doing a tutorial on that. I have like I have really one Halloween costume, but it's really gonna be two because I have my old cheerleading house costume. So I don't know if I want to make like do like a skeleton. I don't know. It's just like so many options that they have out there. So it's like I really don't know, because I'm going to do at least like 2 Halloween makeup tutorials. Even though it's gonna be my first time ever doing it, but we just gonna wing it out, you know? Fuck it. That's like, y'all, honestly, I feel like that is my motto in like a lot of things, and it's like, it shouldn't be, but you know, fuck it, you know, it is what it is. I just feel like, you know, things in life, it don't go like the way you want it to go, or anything, or I don't know, it's just like I feel like in life, you know, just do whatever you want to do. And I mean, if all fails, fuck it, at least you try, you know. I want to just that's one thing about me, I love to like do whatever I feel like I want to do, like whatever's on my mind. Like I can have like 20 different ideas, and I will at least try to do like 19 of them. And it's like, if it all, like one I'm gonna let, you know, one is gonna be good enough. I mean, not really one's gonna be good enough, but it's just that out of the 20 ideas will work for me. So one out of 20, fuck it for the 19 of them, you know? So it's like, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't want to say I'm a jack of all trades, but I'm kinda am. And that's how I kind of live my life a little. It's like, I feel like, do whatever you want to do in life. Don't let nobody stop you. Don't be afraid, which they kind of got me. Like, it took me a while to not be afraid, but other than that, like, do whatever you want in life. Don't care what nobody else say, and just live it up. And again, I'm going to be using my Watch Me Blush palette. I have my BH Cosmetic, or I have that one. Oh, it's in my makeup box. But it's like, I kind of really don't need to, because the colors that I will be using today, it's being used, y'all. So the colors I will be using today in this whole thing will be the tangerine, the cappuccino, sweet tea, and hot cocoa. I might use old banana, or this strawberry cream. Oh my god, what happened to my outsider? You know what? I might just use outsider, because I haven't used outsider in forever, in months. Honestly, I haven't even used anything type of blue, because I ain't really wear eyeshadow since like last week. But before that, it's been a while. I got my hot cocoa on my brush. I'ma just spray. I actually learned that today, because y'all, I was so slow. I was literally spraying my brush before I did it, but I realized that the guy, this guy's name Brett. I'm sorry, I'm not about to mess it up, but I saw that he actually sprayed it after, so we gonna do that too. So I'll put this in my crease. Alright, so the one I just used with the tangerine, I'm going to spray. And then I'm going to go right above it and blend it out, so that line don't be really harsh. So y'all, I just want to know, okay, fuck it. So anyways, so have any one of y'all, like, before y'all do like a video or anything, you gotta like rewash your face, brush your teeth, all that? Like, yeah, I do the whole thing right over. Like, I brush my teeth, wash my face, do everything I need. So once I come on, your girl looks so good, you know? Looks good. And your girls is done with the eyes. So I'm gonna just put some mascara on. And so right now I'm using the Falsies. The Falsies by Maybelline. I think this was like an extra glick. What happened? And y'all see it look like I have a whole full face on right now. The aloe vera gel with hazel and some coconut oil. Get you right, chicken.
What about me?
I was say my husband, he been doing the same thing, so. Oh no, you can still see it. So y'all, y'all can tell me this ain't cute. But anyway, so let me just put some lipstick on. Ooh, this hot. So I'm using my Club Hopper and I say liquid and NYX liquid shade, liquid suede. So it's Club Hopper, it's just like a dark brown. Ooh, I don't know, I love Ruffle's trim. I just love it because like an orange. That I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go with it. Cause I wanna do like a nude. So I was gonna do like that one, but I'm gonna just stick with this one.
I'm about to go to work too. On that game.
Alright y'all, so let me gel my edges down. Hey guys, so this is how I'm about to just wear my hair. I'm about to get dressed and I'll just see you guys in the next video. Peace. No, I'm not gonna do it. See you later.